Hello students, this is Vadana Kazi Sayed from Computer Engineering Department. Today we'll be speaking on data protection for confidentiality and integrity on cloud. Data protection for confidentiality and integrity. Data protection for confidentiality and integrity refers to implementing security measures to ensure that sensitive information remains private, that is confidential, and accurate, that is integrity. Now, what is confidentiality? The principle of confidentiality involves restricting data access strictly to the authorized persons only. Users have a responsibility to ensure they maintain secure access control systems, including both logical, that is example is PC passwords, and physical restriction, that is ID cards. For this reason, it is important that all employees receive thorough training and information security awareness and best practices. It is important to limit data sharing and state availability restriction so confidentiality is not inadvertently breached. Now, what are the key aspects of data protection for confidentiality? First is access controls, limiting who can access specific data based on their role and need to know principle like RBAC. Encryption, transforming data into an unreadable format using a decryption key, only accessible to unauthorized users. Data masking, hiding sensitive information within a data set by replacing specific characters with placeholders values. Strong passwords and authentication methods, requiring complex passwords and multi-factor authentication to verify user identity. It is also called as MFA. Next, integrity. Now, what is integrity? Upholding integrity means that measures are taken to ensure that data is kept accurate and up to date. The integrity of your data impacts how trustworthy and conscious your organization is. Key aspect of data protection for integrity. Data validation. Implementing checks to ensure data is accurate and consistent before processing or storing it. Next, it's hashing. Generating a unique digital fingerprint of data to detect any modifications. Version control. Keeping track of changes made to data to revert to previous versions if necessary. Next, audit trails. Recording users' activity to identify potential data tampering attempts. Next, it's regular backups. Creating copies of data to recover from accidental deletion or corruption. Now, for integrity and confidentiality, these are the important considerations. Data classification. You need to consider all this while doing data confidentiality and integrity. First is data classification, categorizing data based on sensitivity to determine appropriate protection levels. Employee training, educating employees about data protection practices and the importance of confidentiality. Next is compliance with regulation, adhering to relevant data privacy laws and standards, examples like GDPR and HIPAA. Thank you.